Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today on Your Average Roofer, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Duraflow Pro 50 vent. Super easy install. So what we did here, we've marked the vent, and you can see if you look underneath, he's already cut it out. So all we simply have to do is take a shingle. This is the Certainty Landmark Pro. The Duraflow Pro 50 is the exact same width as the shingle. This works for most shingles. I know Gaff works the same, and I believe Ico does the same as well. So you have your vent the exact same width as your shingle. You have the row which your vent's going to land on marked. You simply just line your shingle up in the middle, mark it, move it a 1/16 over this side, and normally you can cut that with your knife, but because it's cold up here in Ontario, we are going to be using our snips. Just to give it a cleaner cut. That's the only reason I'm doing this. If you're down in like a warmer state down south, obviously a knife will be just fine. And then your knife you're gonna have to use for the top anyways. When you cut here, make sure you don't cut past the shingle. This one's a little bit off, so normally what happens is the framer will measure down. Sometimes they're off a little bit. As you can see, the vent itself is still going to sit directly over the hole, so it's no problem at all. And this right here is a common mistake when you leave them out like this and mark them for people to come back and cut. People tend to leave nails and such. And now you simply just take your vent, slide it into place, and then you're gonna nail around it. Just be cautious. It is cold in Ontario, like I said right now. So be wary of nailing in the cold because the plastic is brittle and can crack. So what we do for the winter time is we will hand nail these 4 nails, and we will gun nail any of the ones that are going through a shingle, as they won't put all the pressure onto the vent itself. Because this is capped as well, this nail is going to be tough to get to, so I'll get a nail over here. Best I can. Good. And then just these 4, they're pre-marked slots. You can also use grommet screws. As for this builder, he just wants nails with caulking. And that's it. That's all it takes to install a Duraflow Pro 50 vent. Hope this helps.